Hello everyone, I'm Ken Weller. Let's talk about something under your car. The diesel particulate filter, or DPF. Why do we have these mysterious devices? It all comes down to pollution. Diesel engines are workhorses, but they produce soot, particulate matter. Left unchecked, this gets in the air, contributing to smog, breathing problems, and even more serious health issues. Enter the DPF. It traps soot before it exits your exhaust. The DPF stores soot and periodically heats up to burn it off. Regeneration, cleaner emissions and healthier air. And your diesel keeps chugging along. Sounds great, right? Here's where it gets sticky. If you mostly drive short distances or potter around town, the DPF may not get hot enough to regenerate. Soot builds up and you can get a warning light on your dash, a clogged filter and a hefty garage bill. Some people remove the DPF. It might seem tempting, but it's illegal in many places and you could fail your mutt. Plus, you're dumping pollution back into the atmosphere. So what can you do? Give your diesel regular motorway runs. That heats the filter so it can do its job. If the warning light comes on, don't ignore it. Get it checked ASAP. If you rarely drive long distances, consider if diesel is right for you. DPFs exist to keep our air cleaner and our lungs healthier. They're a faff sometimes, but they protect people. Good habits, regular runs, prompt checks, sensible vehicle choice, save grief. If this helped, like and subscribe for more practical car advice. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Quick reminders. 1. Regular long runs help DPF regen. 2. Don't ignore warning lights. 3. Removing DPF is illegal and pollutes. Find links in the description for diagnostic tips and legal guidelines. Subscribe for more car care guides. I'm Ken Weller. Thanks for watching.